it's time to connect your domain. At the top, click Connect Domain and then Get Domain. You can see based on the plan we purchased, we have one domain available. In the box below, we can type our desired domain name in to see if it's available. I want chewandtrain.com. You can see here that chewandtrain.in is the first option that it suggests, which is available, but if we scroll down, we can see that chewandtrain.com is available for free for the first year. So we'll go ahead and click on that and then click Next. Follow the steps to register your domain. You'll need to select if this is being registered to a single person or to a company. Then you'll enter your name, address, and phone number and click Finish Registration. When it's done, you'll get a notification that the domain was added to your site. In order to keep your services online, you'll need to verify your email address. So go to your email account, look for the email from Hostinger, and click the verification button. Once you've done that, you'll get a notification that your email address has been verified successfully, and you can close the page. Back in Hostinger, click Continue. The only thing remaining is to take our site live. So in the top right, simply click Go Live. When it's finished, you'll see a notification saying your site is now live. Go ahead and click the View Site button to see the finished product. And just like that, you can see chewandtrain.com is live on the internet, built entirely by AI.